Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Frank, and I wanted to do a quick review on this TV provider here that got some good quality programming that I'd like to show you. See, you got your CBS, NBC, MSNBC, CNN, just about anyone that I click on loads right up, clear picture, works good.
Military authorization for the use of military.
Just about everywhere that I go, loads right up.
This was Mika's response this morning.
Quick review: you got your Fox News,
from the President of the United States.
My family brought me up really tough. This is absolutely
HGTV cooking channel.
For me personally,
here's a cooking channel.
From flowers to flavors, looks like Tim and Vanessa are nowhere near
got
saying
your
I do to a cake.
MTV channels. They load right up. See? TNT, Spike TV, True TV. They load right up. Can't beat this. This is awesome. HBO signature. All your HBO packages. HBO, Showtime, Stars, Cinemax, they all load right up. They work great. $20 a month. Right now they have a 3-day free subscription. I would either leave you a link so you could go and get this programming, or I'll leave you a message for those that I have on Facebook. So you got your pay-per-view,
Dish Anywhere is the best in the industry because it lets
history,
you watch TV anywhere. To enjoy it, you'll need a slate
your sport packages are right here. NBA, ESPN, yeah, ESPN2, NFL.
Like 17 and 0, Miami Dolphins.
Within seconds, loads right up. You got perfect program. Bean, Go TV, UFC Network, Movie Star, Pac-12. Just about any channel you can think of. You got about 500 plus channels. Right up here, you have your Spanish channels as well.
So is Miami's record
You got Unimas. They're all working. Telemundo. Great. Univision. They're working good.